So we've got a very nice latest generation L460 Range Rover in with us, and this is the Kahn edition of this particular one. There's certain nice sort of aspects, spoilers, wheels, everything else that's been done to this one. So we've got this in basically to do security upgrades with the Autowatch Ghost due to the ever increasing unfortunate thefts of Range Rovers currently at the moment, and then we've also fitted the latest generation Genevo Pro 2, which is a safety alert system with full laser radar and GPS. This system now is starting to come into its own here in the UK, because we're getting some new particular speed cameras that they're being rolled out, certainly in the London, Manchester area and certain areas in Wales, which are the new cameras now that detect whether you're wearing a seatbelt, whether the vehicle is actually taxed, whether you're speeding. It's sort of like a multi-purpose camera now. So within this now you've got the multi-radar detection, which actually detects those, but also we've added these locations onto our new Trinity database as well within on this actual device. And then you've also got the radar red flex as well now, which is for the motorway cameras. So if I'll just show you in here. I'll just get in. So we've mounted the actual Genevo device, which is just here in the center area, which you can just see here. And as you can see, no visible wires at all with our install. This also does have a detachable bracket, so you can obviously remove it when you leave the vehicle, and it's very easy just to slide it back on to then obviously put it in position. So these particular devices that we've got from the Genevo range, there's so many different settings for alerts, distances, that you can choose. So you can customize the whole of this system to your sort of driving. Here at TTW, we will pre-set the device as though I would have it, from obviously doing various mileage with these type of devices now, and just testing how and what the best performance is. So the unit comprises of the very small display here. Then you also have a radar laser base head that's fitted in the front area. We can also integrate, we do another product which is the laser track flare, which can also be integrated in there. That's for other mobile detection. And then all the alerts and the settings and everything can be pre-programmed through the actual screen itself. So there's a number of other things that we can do, but I mean, if you'd like to get in touch, we can obviously then just go over all the options and the features that this particular device offers.